Are you for free credit repair? If so, then stay tuned. I want to introduce you to someone named Brian.
Alright guys, what's up? What's up everyone? This is In It to Win It. You've come to the right channel, so today we're going to get right to it, alright? But before that, I need you to subscribe to my channel, give me the likes, hit the bell, ring the bell. If this is the content you want, this is it, then I'm going to bring it to you live. I'm going to bring it to you hard. I'm going to bring it to you with facts. Here we go. Free credit repair. This right here, it'll get you about 60 to 70% off the negative items off and removed from your credit report with this process, okay? I mean, this is gold. And I guarantee you guys, nobody on YouTube is dropping this today. Nobody on YouTube is giving you what I'm about to give you. I've done my research. I know what I'm talking about. I'm going to come at you guys with things that people do not give you. I'm going to be the outcast. I'm going to be the one who gives you the things that nobody else is going to give you. So here it is. We're going to clean up your credit report in a 2-week method. That's right, 2 weeks. So the first thing you want to do, you want to stage your credit report, and then you want to send the 609 letter first, okay? So we do not do a challenge before sending this letter, okay? Send in a basic 609 letter, backdated 2 weeks, okay, as the date of the dispute. So for example, if you send it today on the 17th of June, you're going to put on your 609 letter on the 3rd, okay? And you're going to send it regular mail. You're not going to do certified mail. So for example, if you're sending a dispute letter on the 17th, you backdated 3, okay? And this will remove inquiries and negative accounts. So now you're going to put that 3rd and put it regular mail. But make sure you do not put more than 10 items on this dispute. It's the only way it works. Per house, that is. TransUnion, Experian, Equifax, okay? The system sees the date that the letter was dated and registers that as the date it was received. Okay? So they're going to see this, they're going to, they'll see the letter and they'll register as the date it was received, which will be in 2 weeks from now when you send it. Okay, so they'll put it on the back burner in 14 days. So if you did this on the 17th, in 14 days would be the 31st of June. On the 31st of June, 14 days, you send in a demand to comply letter. And this means if the collection company of the creditor or the creditor has not responded, the company has to remove the item from your account. They have 30 days to remove the item from your account. So what we're going to do now, in 14 days, we are going to send a demand to comply letter. Okay? And we're going to demand to comply with the creditor, saying, you know, okay, I'll leave that on the PDF on the bottom. Now you're going to go to the CFPB, which is the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau, and you're going to file against the Equifax, TransUnion, and Experian, and you're going to state that the credit companies are not complying with their own policies, okay, in a timely manner. You should file that complaint with the CFPB 14 days after you mail your complaint letter, okay? Regular mail so that it doesn't allow the credit bureaus time to investigate your claims. So instead of having 30 days to respond to your letter, their system will register it as having been received 14 days earlier than it actually was received. The complaint with the CFPB will allow them to contact the credit bureaus to inquire why your letter is unaddressed within 30 days. And even though it's only been 14 days, a CFPB contacts those credit bureaus to show the investigation that shows that the process was not completed within the 30 days. Because when they call, you know, it's a great method. This method works. CFPB requires that the credit bureaus remove the negative items at that point, and now it's off your credit report. Boom. I gave you gold. Okay? This will work for 60 to 70%, if not all, your complaints. Okay? With that being said, we here at In It to Win It would like to say goodbye. We do drop it. We drop it. We change lives. And guess what? If you guys need help in any other, matter that has to do with credit, subscribe to this channel. Keep coming back. We'll keep giving you good stuff. Meanwhile, on the bottom, look out for 2 PDFs. One will be your complaint, your CFPB letter, and the other one will be your first 609 letter. That's free credit repair. And stay tuned for upcoming events and our book coming up. So we do have a book. It's the Elite University of Credit Education. and it's gonna be hot, it's gonna be sick, okay? And it's gonna be full of information like this. And by the way, my disclaimer to you and all is that this is all for informational purposes, okay? I'm just giving you guys, and anybody that does anything to do with anything they hear on my channel, I am not responsible for it, because this is informational purposes only, and we are out.
Bye.
Trying to move these bricks, but the streets won't let me quit. I'm in it to win it. Best believe I'm on my grind. You feel my pain in every verse and line.